Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the best golf apps that you can right now use. This is going to be to the point, quick one for you. So first thing first, the Green is the first one that you can check out. So you get official handicap service, one of the few apps that facilitates an official USGA WAS handicap for competitive play. So that's good. Also social connectivity, strongest social platform, green control maps, stat benchmarking and hybrid tracking, so you can flexible enough to allow for detailed per shot entry, so that's very good. But you have a watch lag, so the GPS distance updates slowly on the smartwatches, like 10 to 20 seconds to settle, something to be aware of. Also T-box restrictions, you have like restricted by gender, causing issues for accurate handicap submission. Also, a lot of some things were also on a paid pro subscription, something to be aware of too. You can just sign up for free and test it out, but something to be aware of. And the app also can feel cluttered with social feeds and advertisements compared to more minimalist GPS apps. So this is something to be aware of. Now, it's a good app, but important. Another one, GolfPad. This is like another one very good app for you to test out and try, and with plenty of good also reviews on Google. So you get affordable premium, you got smartwatch integration, so that's great. Also you got club tags, so low cost tags allow for easy shot tracking. Also virtual kettle and clean design. So with this app you can also test it out for yourself to see if you like it. And if you don't have a watch, tapping the phone with the club tags can be cumbersome and distracting, so you have to like manually entry the tags. Also basic free stats, the free version is largely limited to basic scoring. Advanced strokes gain data requires subscription, and also it could like drain battery, something to be aware of. And also the app relies on a GPS dependency, again important thing. And you don't have official handicap, but still also like this app is great reviews, something to also check out for yourself. Now another one is called Arccos Golf, so check this one out too, maybe you're gonna like it. So you have it fully automatic, elite data analysis, precision plays like club gap analysis, Apple Watch link, so that's good. Now but you have higher costs, okay, comparing to other, you have it, the cost is just higher. Also another thing is that to be aware of is that you have missed shots there, so it frequently misses small puts or short chips. AI kettle quirks, the AI suggested strategies can sometimes be illogical. Sensor lifespan, so that's something to be aware of too. And subscription model, so the primarily people who are in the cold climates, they pay for months they cannot use the service. So that's something to be aware of. Also 18 birdies, very popular one too, so definitely check it out. So you got great visual strategy, offers a high resolution 2D or like 3D whole maps, so strong free version, swing analyzer. So if you want to have like the best free one, I would say like 18 birdies is the best one for that. So wide evaluation in free trial, but you have the intrusive upscaling. Also battery hog, expensive premium, cluttered UI and watch limitations, but still where you can see like 4.8 point reviews. So this is like, you can also check reviews if kind of like it or no, but again this app is not bad at all if you want to like use it. Now to go even further, then we're gonna have the last one is GolfShot. That's another one. You got Apple Watch specialty, augmented reality, so that's great. When you're gonna check here for the Google Play reviews, 4.6 reviews, is that you can see that it's like it's a good app with good reviews, professional UI, driving range mode, large course database, but you don't have official handicap. Also a subscription required for a watch, that's something very important. Mixed auto tracking accuracy, a subscription price, another important thing, and Android disparity. So that's pretty much it. Now it really depends like which one you like more, what kind of like features you like, but that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.